Good morning, guys. Welcome to math class. Factors and divisibility is the topic we are going to continue working with. Page 206. But before we start with the problems, let's review the divisibility rules. Yesterday, we saw this one. A number is divisible by. Divisible means that we can divide it by 2. Or if we can divide it by 3. And the leftover is 0. A number is divisible by 2 if the last digit is even. Divisible by 2 if the last digit finished in 0. The last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. Example, 3,978 is divisible by 2. Yes, because the last number is an even number. Es un número par. Even means par. Now, 4,975 is not divisible by 2. No, because the last digit is not 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. It's a number.
But if instead of that number, it will be 4,976, you can do that because it will be visible to the root 3.
Divisible.
Or 2, I mean 2.
Yes, okay. So the next one, the next rule. So this is the first one. Divisible by 2. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digit is divisible by 3. Sum. So it means that we're going to add 3 plus 1, 4, plus 5 equals 9, right? 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. And 9 divided by 3?
About 3.
Equals 3. 3 times 3, 9. So it is divisible by 3. Then the next one. So we're gonna do exactly the same procedure. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 9, 13. 13 divided by 3. 13 divided
3 times 4 equals 13.
No.
Wait,
3 times 4
12.
equals 12. So it means that we have a leftover. So it is not divisible because the leftover needs to be 0. Tiene que ser una división exacta sin sobrante. Now, a number is divisible by 4 if the last 2 digits form a number divisible by 4. The last 2 digits. So we have to add these 2. 1 plus 2.
That's 12.
1 plus 2. Oh, no, sorry. No, it's 12. 12. Yes, that's true. 12. No, we don't need to add it. We need just to divide the last number. We have 12. 12 divided by 4?
4 times 3
Times 3 equals 0. Exactly. 4 times 3 equals 12. 12 minus 12 equals 0. So 8,512 is divided by 4. Yes. Now, not divisible by 4. Here. So 7,518. 18 divided by 4. 4 times 3, 12. 4 times 4 is 16. It's not 18. 8 times 4 times 4. 4 times 4, 16. And 4 times 5, 20. So it's not divisible by 4. Now the next one. A number is divisible by 5 if the last digit is 0 or 5. Remember the table of 5. Is 5 times 1, 5, times 2, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So the last digit is 0, 5, 0, 5, 0, 5. So if the number finishes in 0, the last digit is 0, is divisible by 5. Or if the last number is 0, is divisible by 5. But in this case, in the second example, we have an 8. 2 is not divisible by 5. A number is divisible by 6 if the number is divisible both 2 and 3. So here the number needs to be divisible by 2 and 3. Tiene que cumplir con estas dos reglas. Is an even number? Yes, so it is divisible by 2. Cumple una regla. Now, 4 plus 8, because in the rule 3, we have to add the 12. And 12 divisible by 12 divided by 3 equals 4. So, yes, it is divisible by 6. Now, 20 is an even, finishing an even number? Yes. So it is divisible by 2. Now, 2 plus 0, 2. 2 divided by 3, is it possible? Is it possible?
No.
No, it's not. Okay, so it's not divisible by 3? No. So 20 is not divisible by 6. Ahí tiene que cumplir esas dos reglas para que sea divisible por 6. Con una que no, entonces no es. Now, a number is divisible by 9 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. So this rule is like the rule of the number 3. Exactamente igual. We have to add the digits. And then we check if we can divide it. 7 plus 1, 8. Plus 1, 9. 9 divided by 3? 3. So it is possible. Now this one, 9 plus 3? 12. 12. But 12 is divisible by, 9 plus 3, 12. 12 divided by 9? Oh, I'm sorry. I get confused in this one because we have to divide by 9. So 9, 7 plus 1, 8, plus 1, 9. And 9 divided by 9?
9.
9. 1. 9 plus 9 times 1? 9. Now, this one. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 divided by 9? Is 1. Here we have 9 and we have a leftover. And this is the thing. In a divisible, in this division, we don't need to have leftover. Okay? Now, let's do the exercises. This one. We have to list all the factor pairs for 72 in the table. Page 206. Factors. So let's think. 72. 1 times 72. That's the first one. So the table tells us 72 is divisible by 2. Is divisible by 2, guys?
Yeah.
So let's write here 72 divided by 2. Let's do this division. So the next factor is 2. We need to find this one. Let's do the division.
Yes, we need to find that 7 in the table of 2.
2 times
2 times 4.
2 times 4, 8.
2 times 6, 2 times 3.
2 times 3.
Yes.
Mire cómo dice aquí, show your work. So aquí vamos a hacer los procedimientos. No se va a quedar el cuadro vacío. 2 times 3, 6. Next digit, 2.
Find that in the table of 2. It is 2 times 6 equals 12.
2 times 6 equals 12. Okay, so what is the second factor? 36, the quotient that we have here. 2 times 36 equals 72. What are the factors? 2, 3, 36. These one are the factors. Now let's try with the next digit. 72. Let's try if, let's see if 72 is divisible by 3. What does the rule say? What does the rule say?
The other digit, we need to use that 36.
Santiago. 72. How do you taste? How do you prove? What does the rule say? Divisibility rule. What does the rule says about divisibility? The table you have in your book, in that page, is at the corner. Let me show you the table. You have it there. In the same page.
Divisibility rules.
By 3.
The sum of the digit is divisible by 3.
So what do we have to do with the 72?
3. 24.
We have to. What do we have to do with that 72? ¿Cómo pruebo esa regla? ¿Cómo hago para, imagínense que este número sea 576,894. And you start doing the division. It's going to be a long division. So instead of divide, you can use the divisibility rules. ¿Cómo sé si el 72 es divisible por 3? ¿Cómo lo sé? La tabla me lo dice. This one is green. ¿Qué tengo que hacer antes de dividir? La divisibility rules me ahorra la división. What do I have to do? Divisibility rule says, what does the divisibility rule says, Alan? I already make the question. I already asked you the question. I'm waiting for the answer. Yeah. But what I need you tell me is, the divisibility rule says the sum of the digit is divisible by 3. So what do I have to do? Add 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2 equals
9.
9. Can I divide 9 by 3?
Yes.
Yes. Entonces, como sé que sí es divisible por 3, hago la división. Si el número, de acuerdo a la regla me dice, no es divisible por 3, ¿para qué voy a hacer la división? Eso es tiempo perdido. Entonces, pruebo con el siguiente número. Para eso nos sirven las reglas de divisibility. Ok, so 72 divided by 3, porque ya vimos que sí es divisible. Sí, entonces, 3 times 2, 6. 7 minus 6, 1. And I have the next digit, the number 2, 12. 3 times 4, 12. So the next factors are 3 and what is the second one? What is the second factor? Alan? You are not paying attention. 24, it is the quotient here. Equals 72. These are the multiplications and the factors 3, 24. Next digit, The number 4. What does the divisibility rule says in the number 4? If we check here, if the last 2 digits form a number divisible by 4. Okay, what are the last 2 digits? But this is let's try 72 divided by 4. 4 times 1, 4. Left over 3. Next digit 2. 4 times 8. 4 times 8. 32. 32 minus 32, 0. Jose Enrique, you connected very late. So what are the factors?
Yes, ma'am. I was with phone with the internet.
Okay, what are the factors? Factors. Factors. What are the factors, guys?
32.
32. No, the 2 numbers that I have to write down here, what are? What are the 2 numbers? 4.
32 and 72.
Here, 32. Is this 32 okay, class? Is the 32?
No.
What is the factor?
18.
18 is my quotient here. See, Santiago? 4 times 18 equals 72. So factors here are 4 and 18. Next digit, is 72 divisible by 5? According to the divisibility rules?
Yes.
8 times 9.
Again, is 72 divisible by 5?
No. Yes.
The divisibility rule. Let's read the divisibility rules in that page. What does it says? You. You react like I'm talking about something that you have never heard before. Así, les veo la carita como si yo les estuviera preguntando algo que ustedes jamás en su vida han escuchado. So, 72 is divisible by 5? Alan, check your table here. Check the table in your book. What is the divisibility rule says? ¿Qué dice esa tabla de divisibilidad?
The last digit is 0 or 5.
And what is the last digit in 72?
2.
So, is divisible by 5?
No.
No. So, we are not going to divide by 5 because the divisibility rule says it's not divisible. So, we're not going to lose time. So, next digit is 72 divisible by 6?
No. Yes.
No.
6.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yes, okay. So, 6, the next digit, 6. Table of 6 equals 72.
Times.
Okay, let's divide it. 72 divided by 6. 6 times 1, 6. Now 12. 6 times 2. What are the 2 factors? The first one is 6. And the second one?
12.
12, exactly. The second one is 12. Okay. So here it is 6 and 12. Okay. Let's continue trying. 72 divisible by 7? 7 times 10?
10 times 10, 70.
We have 2 left over. It's not divisible. Let's try with 8. 8 times
2. Yes.
8 times 9. 9, exactly. This one is the last pair. 8 times 9, 72. So the factors are 8 and 9. How did you check if 7 is a factor of 72? Well, we're not going to answer this one. That is not the divisibility rule, right? Did you finish? Because I need to change this.
No, me.
You need a color in the next page. One color.
I finished, Miss.
Okay, who is copying? Chris. Okay. Today is April 26. Yes, April 26. Finished. Okay, let's continue. Color. If 4 a factor of 28, draw a model. So what do we have to do? We have to color. We have to color 4 rows. See, this is one. Remember, rows is like this. This is 1 row, 2 rows, 3 rows. Okay, so 4. So let's count by 4. Or let's multiply by 4. 4 times 1, 4. Times 2, 8. Times 3,
24.
12. 12. Times 4, 4 times 4, 16. 4 times 5,
4 times 5,
20.
40.
20. 4 times 6, 24. 4 times 7, 28. So we got this number. Is 4 a factor of 8? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Can you make a rectangle with 28 square in 4 equal rows? Yes?
Yes.
Yes. So we can conclude that 4 is a factor of 28 because we don't have gaps. We divide the 28 tiles into 4 equal rows. Anna, I'm not gonna wait for you. You are not working. You are crossed your arms. Look. You need a color. You haven't colored. This one is the next page, 207. Hurry up. You need a color. Maria Fernanda, show me your rectangle. Show me this, please. Show me what you did. Maria Fernanda. Show me your book, please. Maria Fernanda. Show me your book, please. Show me your book, Maria. But I need to see the exercise. No me muestre la portada. I need to see your exercise. I need to see if you did this one. If you did the chart that I did there. You have it. No lo ha hecho. And I have no time.
Please look.
That's why we finish late. Porque tengo que estar esperando por chicos que no trabajan cuando yo se los pido. That's why we finish late. You can use the color you want. But remember, Christopher, that this one, este cuadro no es, lo voy a colorear del tamaño que yo quiera. No, it has specific numbers. Okay, that's an observation that I made yesterday in general to all the students. Okay, Christopher. Finished.
Yes.
And Maria Fernanda. Wait a moment, please. Okay, guys, if you finish, you can dismiss the class. Thank you.
Goodbye, Miss.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye, Miss. See
Bye,
you
bye.
in our class. Yes.
Miss, we don't need to show you anything.
I
Miss,
don't
No,
show
thank
you.
you. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
Look, see.
Yes, Maria Fernanda. Bye-bye.
Bye, Miss.